More information arrives on the possible pre-order and launch dates for the Samsung Galaxy S9. Rumors continue to hint on 3 2018 iPhone variants and what the changes will be. And one source says that the Trump administration wants to nationalize 5G, and another debunks it. I'm Jaime Rivera, and believe it or not, I'm already out of my daily dose of coffee, and Monday is still not over. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with deals as, Android Wear smartwatches aren't necessarily having their best time. We haven't really seen any new watches. We were expecting at least 1 or 2 at CES, didn't happen. And now Verizon's, their Wear24 smartwatch, it's currently available for up to $50 if you follow the link in the description with the coupon code that's down there. $50 is crazy. It's worth it. Now, let's talk about some very interesting news that developed today. This morning we had some leaked PowerPoint presentations of the Trump administration wanting to nationalize 5G over a whole concern about national security. And then by the afternoon, we had FCC chairman already chiming in saying that there were no plans to do that, that the administration would even not follow up or even to a certain degree support any sort of nationalization of the spectrum. Let's see what ends up happening over time. Now let's talk about Apple, as we hear that the company is not having a good time with iPhone X sales. Up to the point where we heard the rumors of the company was way below the predictions of analysts and also the company's predictions. Up to the point where we hear that Cupertino might even be cutting down production up to 50%. And why do you think that is? I think it has everything to do with the price tag, but that's just me. Now, since we're talking about iPhones, let's discuss the recent rumors coming from KGI's Min-Chi Kuo. Whenever he chimes in on anything, these things usually happen. We're talking 3 iPhones. And, the whole detail of the post includes who's going to manufacture what and this and that. I'm not going to bore you with that specification. I'm going to let you know, for example, screen sizes. We're talking about a phablet at 6.5 inches, a regular size iPhone 10 whatever that's going to be at 5.8, and then the middle one is the 6.1 inch iPhone that's apparently going to be of an LCD display. Price tag of that one is apparently, according to Min-Chi Kuo, going to be between $700 to $800. So that follows on other rumors that we had heard. I don't understand exactly what the ideal will be of this mid iPhone that's not necessarily mid-range in price. But then again, apparently, according to the rumors, the other iPhones will cost more than $1,000 still. So that's going to be kind of crazy. And finally, the very hot news today have to do with the Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. Yes, this phone is going to take over the hottest news for as long as we probably get close to MWC. And, it makes a lot of sense. It usually is one of the hottest phones of the year. This time we hear possible launch dates, at least for Korea, March 2nd, pre-orders, March 8th to launch. And this is a little later from the previous rumors that we had heard, which is kind of odd. Usually Korea is first and then everybody else gets the phone. Whatever the case may be, in today's question, let us know. I mean, there are a ton of deals right now for the Galaxy S8. Are you using these deals to get a new phone, or are you waiting for the Galaxy S9? In my case, the differences between the S8 and S9 don't look that significant, but I could be wrong. We'll keep you posted on the news, and let us know what you think in the comments down below. Miau, ya te voy a llamar, que estoy grabando, papito.
Papu, ya tengo Wi-Fi.
Qué bueno, mi rey, ya te voy a llamar, papito.
Y papu, cuando ya me llame, me puede, ¿cómo se llama? Me puede prestar.
Papi, necesito seguir grabando, estoy conectado, papito, ya te voy a llamar, mi amor. Besito.
Bye.
Bye. Oops. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to our channel by hitting this button up here. You can watch last week's Pocketnow Daily up here and our review of the iPhone X down here. You can also follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We will see you tomorrow.